Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk. I have a question here in reference to a video where we talked about having the S&P 500 index and VEQT, which is a passive worldwide index ETF, in a TFSA. And the question is, what's another good dividend ETF to add to this mix? So I try to avoid having dividend payers of any kind in a TFSA. I'm quite tax conscious, perhaps too much. So the thing is, if it's a Canadian dividend payer, then I would have it in a non-registered account, using up TFSA room on something that's already tax efficient for the dividends anyways, would be a bit of a waste. And if you have foreign dividend payers in a TFSA that are paying 4 or 5% dividend yields, then those get the 15% or more tax withholding on those dividends. So I would not put foreign dividend payers in a TFSA either. So in my TFSA, and you can have a look on www.canadianmoneytalk.ca, my portfolio, and take a look at my TFSA and my RRSP. There I have stuff that I'm expecting growth or complete tax inefficiency, as in a bond that pays interest. So that's what I put in my TFSA, is either growers, where I'm going to get the capital gains tax free, or something like bonds which pay interest, which would be tax inefficient in a non-registered account. So in a non-registered account, just to answer the question somewhat, I have CDZ, which is Canadian Dividend Aristocrats, companies that keep raising their dividends. But that's in a non-registered account where the Canadian eligible dividends are taxed quite lightly, especially in the lower tax brackets. So that's where I would go for a dividend payer. But what I have in my TFSA is like the S&P 500, which pays 1.5% dividends, maybe 2%, depending on the time frame. So it doesn't matter that much if they take 15% for the withholding, but I would avoid having a foreign dividend payer that is a dividend specific ETF.